got me some chickens. A little, think hen. Yeah, hen. Wait. Hold on. There you go. Little New Hampshire Reds. Got, I think, to the best of my knowledge, we got 4 hens. So I was checking their wings. And 2 roosters. So yeah, that's them. There's 6 of them because they have to take 6. It's state law. A little water and feeder. Just a butter bowl. Cut out edges. So I might move that out a little bit. I'm not sure yet. I don't want them to fall into the water. I'm going to show 3, a few of them. So yeah, just little peepholes where they can all mess in it. So yeah, got some New Hampshire Reds. Just some pine shavings that they got. I used the straw. Pop that back on there. I'll fix their feeder here in a minute. Little female. They're cold because they've been in that, what's it called? The, little box for a while. We just use Dwarfler Chick Starter Dash Grower. Just sprinkle a little. Sorry, it's kind of silent. So yeah, that's them. Water, feeder. I'm gonna watch them. They're just sitting in here. Half of them are going to sleep. Half of them are staying awake. First night home, they're gonna stay inside, and then they're tomorrow afternoon, I'm going to move them into what's it called? In the afternoon, I'm going to move them out into our closed up area where they can still have the heat lamp, but they'll be more out into the barn, so I'll have to go outside to make videos and stuff. See, that's them. There's 6 of them. 2 roosters and 4 hens. So yeah, that's it. New Hampshire Reds. Tiny. So yeah, real excited about these. Kind of quiet because I don't know who's listening. Okay, that's them.